is in India, and what you have to say is importance about it?
It is definitely growing because no, I remember in the previous national games we don't have this kind of interviews. Now they come to take interviews for the fencers, not just me. Other fencers, they come to watch fencing competitions. More audience and more media and other people. So it's good to see the development, and also the athletes are working hard, getting stronger. So yeah, I'm looking forward to the
Just
competition.
brief a little bit about the fencing to our audience. In Goa, it's not that much, but can you elaborate on it?
Yeah, fencing. We have three events in fencing: epi, foil, saber. So basically, you have to attack the opponent and you have to defend yourself from the opponent attacking you. So three different weapons and three different targets. For example, I play saber. For saber, we have upper body targets. You have to attack your opponent anywhere on the upper body. And for foil, it's the same upper body but excluding arms. You cannot hit on the arms and the head. For epi, it's the whole body target. You can hit anywhere of your opponent, and then there are some rules like how you can move and which time you can attack. If both the athletes attack together in epi, it's okay, but in foil and saber, it's a different rules. So yeah, it's a very
How long
combat
it
sport.
takes to study, learn this techniques? If you
I'm still learning. It's been so many years I'm fencing. I'm still learning every day new things to improve myself.
It is heard that it's even expensive sports.
Yes.
It's not affordable. So how do you cope up with? You have tied up with Rahul mentorship. So how it's helping?
Yeah, I'm thankful to the government because now I'm being supported by Sports Authority of India and also Tamil Nadu government, and I'm also part of the Rahul Dravid Athlete Mentorship Program from Go Sports Foundation. So they have been supporting me for last few years. So like you said, it's an expensive sport because you have to travel a lot for competition, the equipments and all. So but right now the government is supporting fencing, and we have a lot of athletes in the Go Sports Foundation and also in the SAI scheme. So it's good to see this kind of development.
So how long it will take to India to get popular as cricket?
No, I don't know how long it will take, like popular as cricket. I think cricket it's different because it's there in everyone's heart, so you cannot take away from that. Fencing, we can try to reach that level, but I hope maybe we will attain that kind of popularity. But first thing, I prefer that everyone knows about fencing. Now some people know, but still not whole India know about the sport called fencing. So I want everyone should know what fencing is, how it is played, because the rules and regulations are difficult to understand. So if we get that slowly, maybe one time.
So do you be a role model to promote this in India, and how about this?
Yes, definitely. I'm playing fencing, and people have been watching me now from the Olympics. So I hope to do my best and win more medals for my country, so that it can get more popular and more children start to play fencing.
So now you are nation with this national scheme and nations also. So what went wrong? Did you think that it was a tough match?
It's a good competition because I've been playing national competitions for so many years. So it's a good event. It's sometimes you have to fence in different levels to adapt to the situation. So I'm happy to be here.
So how about national schemes now?
How about?
National games that you're going to take part in.
Yeah, it's good to be here. I'm happy to be here, and it's good to fence in different kind of levels.
So any great opinions that you have here?
Yes, firstly, we did not expect that Goa. I mean, we will have national games this year in Goa, so it was a little surprise that we have a national games, and it's good organization so far, and it's a good place to be. It's my first time in Goa, and I hope to have a good competition. I'm looking forward to it, and I wish all the best to all the athletes.
Thank you very much. All the best.
Thank you.